I've seen heaps of videos of people poaching eggs in the air fryer, saying it's heaps easier than putting it in a pot. I'm going to give that a go today, and we're going to figure out if it's worth your time to try and poach an egg in the air fryer, or if you should give it a hard miss. So what you're going to need for this one is an egg, preferably left out for 5 minutes and got to room temperature, some bread, a ramekin that's oven safe, some white vinegar, and some olive oil spray. Preheat the air fryer for like 2 minutes at 165 degrees. Going ahead and giving this ramekin a really quick spray to try and make sure that the egg whites don't stick. Get some warm water. We're not going to need all of that. We're probably only going to need about 1/4 cup. All right, we're going to go ahead and pop some water in. We're only going to fill it up about 1/4 of the way. Add a splash of vinegar in there too. And then go ahead and crack your egg in there. All right, attempt number 3 here. We're gonna pop this in. We're gonna give it ,190 degrees for 6 or 7 minutes. 6, 7! Okay, so I pulled out the egg here. This was the closest I got to it. It's still nowhere near perfect. It's missing half the white, it's stuck to the sides. Not overly happy with it. I guess you'll see the bloopers in a second. Yeah, okay, this hasn't worked. What the is that? This dog. Alright, finally got one that resembles an egg. You can probably see from the thumbnail it looks like absolute crap. Alright, yeah, I definitely wouldn't recommend this. It's been a complete nightmare. I've gone through 3 ramekins, 4 eggs, and I still didn't quite get there. So I guess the answer to the question is no, you can't really cook a poached egg in the air fryer. At least I can't. I've seen other YouTubers do it. I just can't seem to figure it out, but we'll give this a taste test anyway. To be honest, it just tastes like a lot of effort. Yeah, not enjoying it at all. It's going to be a crappy video. Thanks for watching. Kai.